Gusty northwesterly winds today ahead of a cold front. It's Force 13's Australia Oceania Channel with the latest on the developing weather system. Severe weather warning remains in place, damaging winds for people in the snowy mountains region. Northwesterly winds expected to increase over the southeast New South Wales today as a cold front approaches from the west for the alpine areas above the 1900 metres mark. Damaging winds averaging 75 to 85 kilometres an hour with gusts reaching 110 kilometres an hour, possible from late this morning, and winds are expected to ease later Sunday evening. Blizzards are possible during late Sunday and into the evening. Locations which may be affected include Fred Bay. Bureau of Meteorology New South Wales has a gale warning currently in place for the Batemans and Eden coasts, and a strong wind warning also for the Sydney Close waters, Macquarie, Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra coast, and for Monday a gale warning for the Eden coast. Now, what's going on down in Victoria? Severe weather warning remains in place for damaging winds for the central East Gippsland, the southwest, north central, northeast and west South Gippsland forecast districts. Strengthening northerly winds. A strong cold front will enter western Victoria this afternoon, reaching central districts tonight, crossing eastern Victoria early on Monday. Northerly winds will strengthen ahead of the front, damaging northerly winds averaging 60 to 70 kilometres an hour with peak gusts of 90 to 100 kilometres an hour are expected to develop over western parts of the warning area this morning, then extending over remaining parts of the warning area by midday today. Only elevated parts of the warning area above 600 metres will be affected. Winds are expected to generally ease from the west later this afternoon, with only localised damaging wind gusts still possible with the passage of the cold front later in the day, and areas under the warning that could be affected: the Grampians, Mount Baw, Mount Border, Mount Hawthorn and Falls Creek. The Bureau also has in place a gale warning for the East Gippsland coast, strong wind warning for the Port Phillip Bay, Western Port, the West Central and Central Gippsland coast, and an expanded gale warning for Monday for the West Coast, Central Coast, Central Gippsland and East Gippsland coast. Now we switch down to Tasmania. A gale warning also in place for the southwest coast, strong wind warning for the southwest lakes, the far north, central north coast, east of the Flinders Island, upper east, lower east, southeast, central west coast. And for Monday, Bureau of Meteorology here in Queensland will have a strong wind warning in place for the south east Gulf of Carpentaria, Fraser Island coast, Sunshine Coast waters and the Gold Coast waters. Over in WA for today, gale warning for the Coolah coast, strong wind warning for the West Kimberley coast, Pilbara coast east, Pilbara coast west, Nigaloo, Gascoyne and Esperant coast, and I've cancelled the one for the Albany coast. And for the Northern Territory, they have for Monday strong wind warning for the Roper Group Island.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.